To make our succulent storage boxes, you're gonna need a few things. You'll need a planter or a little terracotta pot. You'll need some air dry clay to create our succulents, some tacky glue, acrylic paints, a brush, a little piece of styrofoam to act as our lid, and this is repurposed, not purchased. And then we've also got some toothpicks to help attach our succulent to our lid. Let's get started. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is create your succulent. So we're gonna grab our air dry clay. And what I'm gonna do, and I would suggest you do the same, is I'm gonna pull apart a little bit of this and set it aside so that I can create some pebbles for the top of my lid. Okay. That looks pretty good. So we're gonna set these aside to dry. Let's mix up some paints. So to mix colors, what you're gonna wanna do is first open your lids or open your containers. I like to use the lids as little mixing stations for any colors that I'd like. So I know that I wanna do a green, and in order to get a green, I'm going to need some yellow paint. And I like to start with the yellow and mix blue in to get my green. Dive into our plant. So I'm gonna use that really pretty green. I'm just going to use thin brush strokes. I don't wanna gloop or glop a big drop of paint onto my sculpture, because I wanna be able to see all of those carvings and shapes that we created in the first few steps. So I'm going to get a little bit of this white color onto my paper. And I'm just gonna very carefully, a little bit of brown at a time, create kind of a grayish brown color. And what I wanna do is attach this succulent to my soil so that it acts as a lid for my little planter box here. So I've got 3 toothpicks here, and just to give ourselves a nice strong shape, I'm gonna press the toothpicks in the shape of a triangle. And this will give me the best chance that I'll have a nice strong connection point for my lid. So I'm gonna start with a light color. I'm gonna just take just a little bit of tacky glue, and I'm gonna set it in place. So now, what we're gonna do is put this in as our lid. And look at that. So I can hide any little treasures that I want in the bottom and use this as a way to keep people out of my secret stash. And there you have it. I hope you all had as much fun making your secret succulent planters as I did. Thank you as always for supporting the AHA School. We are so grateful. I hope you had a good time, and we'll see you next time.